Hello students, welcome to SP classes of class 10. Let's continue our exercise 8.4 and today we are seeing our fifth question, that is prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are defined. Here some expressions are already defined and these are very main expressions. We have to remember for further also. And in that first question, in this fifth question is very important. In this we are having 10 more sub questions and these all are the defined identities only. So first one, cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So we have to prove that this cosecant minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cot theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So we have to prove this one. How we can prove this one? So we know this cosecant is equal to and cot is equal to what are there? So cosecant is equal to 1 by sin theta is there. This thing we already know. And cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. This also we know already before only. Okay. So let's take LHS is equal to, here this is 1 by sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta whole square. So for this, again let's take how to solve this one. Both we are having sin theta only. So directly we can put 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta whole square as it is. So for this further how we can solve? We know one more expression, one more identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And from this, what is our cos square theta? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This one also we know. So by that, how we can solve? So 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin square theta. For this sin square theta, we can put this one, we can write this one. So 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by 1 minus cos square theta. For this, how we can solve further? This is in the form of a square plus a square minus b square. So for this we can write a square minus b square formula, a plus b, a minus b, in this way we can write. So for this we can write one more time, that is 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta. From this thing and this thing will be cancelled and we left with 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta. This is our RHS. So hence proved LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, now let's see our second bit of this question, that is what is there here. Our second one, cos A 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A cos A is equal to 2 secant A. So here what this expression is there, opposite of this one only they have given. For this how we can solve? Let's take the LCM and let's do the further calculation. So to take this and this, that is cos square, this multiplied with this and this multiplied with this. So cos square A plus 1 plus sin A whole square divided by these both, 1 plus sin A into cos A. LHS is equal to this thing we got. So after this again how we can solve? So for this, cos square A plus this thing only. So this is in the form of, how, in which form it is? It is in the, this thing is the form of A plus B whole square form, na? So for this we can solve that a square plus b square plus 2ab form. So 1 plus sine square a plus 2 sine a into 1, that is obviously it will be no problem. So cos a 1 plus sine a. So for this again further calculation how we can solve, that is, see this cos a plus sine square a, these both is equal to 1. This is our identity, we already know about it. So in both of this, in the place of it, directly we can write 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 sine a divided by cos a 1 plus sine a we got. So for this will be 2 plus 2 sine a divided by cos a 1 plus sine a. Let's take from this, let's take 2 as common. So it will be 1 plus sine a divided by cos a 1 plus sine a. These 1 plus sine a, 1 plus sine a cancel, and this we are got 2 by cos a. This 2 you can keep as it is, and 1 by cos a means we are having that secant is equal to 1 by cos. Here cosecant is equal to 1 by sine and secant is equal to 1 by cos. This formula we know. So secant a. This is our RHS. So hence proved LHS is equal to RHS. We proved this one also. Okay. Now let's see our third bit of this question. That is, what is our third question here? See, tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. Write the expression in terms of sin theta and cos theta. This answer in the, these expressions, tan theta and cot theta, these expressions we have to write in terms of cos and sin. So for this we already know how we can change our sin and cos in the term of, so tan theta, 1 minus tan theta 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta 1 minus tan theta 1 plus secant theta cosecant theta. So LHS is equal to this term we are taking, this tan is equal to what we are having, tan theta will be changed as sin theta divided by cos theta, and cot theta will be changed as cos theta divided by sin theta. So let's put this one here. So LHS is equal to tan theta 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta 1 minus tan theta. So solve this one. So it will be sin theta divided by cos theta 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta 1 minus sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay. So for this, these expressions are 1, 2 and 3, 4 in this way. So 2 to 3 and this in this way we have to substitute these things. So by substituting like that, how we can get here? So sin theta divided by cos theta, and down of this we can take as sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta. Here cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta, sorry, whole problem. So now we can solve in this way. So how we will get like that means, this thing will goes to here and this cos will goes here and this will be coming down. This cos will be multiplying with this and these things are multiplying with this. By that how we are getting sin square theta minus cos square theta divided by, how we are getting in the down, cos theta sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So take this sin theta this side and this cos theta this side. So now it will be sin cube theta minus cos cube theta divided by these both. How we can write? These both will be cos theta into sin theta. These both we have taken one separately, and these two things are same thing only. So sin theta minus cos theta. So for this it is in the form of a cube minus b cube form. This a cube minus b cube formula you all learnt in the 9th standard only. So this will be a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab form. So let's put this one in that form, this one. So it will be sin theta minus cos theta. Next, sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. This thing will be cancelled. So now here we left with this sin square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 plus sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. So hold the bracket. So this thing we can write as 1 by cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. So these two things will be cancelled. So 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin. This is 1 by sin means cosecant and 1 by cos means secant. So secant theta, sorry, this one will be plus 1 na? Secant theta cosecant theta plus 1. It is our RHS. So hence proved. I hope you all understood these 3 questions. Let's continue our next questions in our next video. Thank you.